हेलो एंड वेलकम। सो टुडे स्टार्ट प्रोज। व्हाट इज प्रोज एग्जैक्टली? तो प्रोज में जो मेन राइटर हैं वो हैं आपके फ्रांसिस बेकन। ठीक है, तो बेकन इज ए फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश एसे। इवेंचुअली सॉरी evaluating Bacon as a essayist, Ligius writer in a history of English literature. It was by his essays language Bacon was born in 1561. It is not easy to present the life and character of the wisest, brightest, meanest of mankind. So, Alexander Pope, the 18th century satirist, sum up the character of the great Lord Bacon. Of Bacon work and larger but not the more important part is written in Latin. मतलब जो इनका जो पार्ट था वो किस में लिखा गया? लैटिन में लिखा गया. Bacon's style of writing is historic compact. His work are full of practical wisdom. Bacon's philosophy of life can be constructed from his stripping observation on various aspects of man's personal and social life. In his essay, he takes up the role of practical moralist and present a philosophy of his own. As a moralist, Bacon makes no pretense to system. इनके जो मेन ऐसे थे, इसे मतलब बेकन को ऐसे का जनक कहा जाता है. ऑफ ट्रूथ, ऑफ स्टडीज, ऑफ रिवेंज, ऑफ मैरिज एंड सिंगल लाइफ, ऑफ ट्रेवल, ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप, ऑफ डेथ, ऑफ एडवर्सिटी, ऑफ रिचेस, ऑन सुपरस्टिशंस. दीज आर द इम्पोर्टेंट एसे. फिर दूसरे जो हैं जो प्रोज के उसमें लिखे गए हैं वो है विलियम हैजलिट. हैजलिट वॉज बोर्न इन 1770. ही वॉज ए मैन ऑफ वायलेंट टेम्पर with a strong like and dislike. His work is frequently marked by favor of bitterness and by prejudice. The style of Hazlitt has says are contributed to the Morning Chronicle, The Examiner and the London Magazine. इनके जो मेन वर्क है टेबल टॉक विलियम हैजलिट, स्केचेस एंड एसे विलियम हैजलिट, विंटर स्लो विलियम हैजलिट, द स्पिरिट ऑफ द एज यानी क्रिटिकल एसे. फिर और क्या हो सकता है इसमें? द फर्स्ट सीक्वेंस विथ पोएट्स, फेयरवेल टू एसे राइटिंग, ऑन लिविंग टू वन सेल्फ, ऑन गोइंग टू जर्नी, द इग्नोरेंस ऑफ द लर्नर, द इंडियंस जगलर, on familiar style. These are the important essay of William Hazlitt. जो थर्ड है करेक्टर, जो थर्ड पोएट हैं या राइटर हैं वो है चार्ल्स लैम्ब. चार्ल्स लैम्ब was born in 1775. He was the prince among the essayists. He loved society and the quiet, bustling life of London streets. Himself a character, he likes the odd in life and literature. Lamb was educated at Christ Hospital, where he became an intimate friend of Cambridge. Lamb wrote verse, play, and romance, but his fame rests principally on the criticism of his older English drama, the essay of Iliad and Tales from Shakespeare. Lamb was not only a humanist; he was also a wit. He described his an Archangel a little damage. One of the superior one complained, "You arrived late, Mr. Lamb, but see how early I leave," was the answer. Lamb reckless humor, however, is only one side of the picture. His humanity, his tenderness of heart makes the others. His devotion to the sister is one of the most moving examples of self-sacrifice in the history of English literature. His brief notes are little gems of criticism, which testify to Lamb's sympathetic इंसाइट इनटू द निग्लेक्टेड ओल्डर ड्रामा। मेन वर्क है एसेज ऑफ इलिया, टेल्स ऑफ शेक्सपियर, लास्ट एसे। मेन एसे इनके क्या है? पुअर रिलेशन, ड्रीम चिल्ड्रन, रेवराइज, क्राइस्ट हॉस्पिटल, द कॉन्वलेसेंट, ओल्ड चाइना, माई रिलेशनशिप, इन perfect sympathies. These are the important question of